Welcome to Ed Sings YouTube Academics. We make educational entertainment. In the last video, you learned how to get creative. Now, let's use it. To make an Ed Sing video, we first set up the right environment. We listen to this. Blocks out all the noise. I know a lot of us listen to music when we are studying, but that can be a bit distracting. Before you know it, you're in a dance-off with yourself. Do I have my 4 bottles of water? Nice. Let me introduce you to Pin2G. He's my laptop, and yes, I've given him a name. He's more than just a machine. We both go a long way back, so I trust him. Everything is familiar and easy. In the beginning, this wasn't the way. I spent a lot of time making connections. You will too. This is where Ed Sing will guide you and get you through. Meanwhile, check out which process you like. We'll start with you right there. Get comfy. For a moment, shut your eyes and say what I'm going to say. I'm going to give it my best. My creativity is going to blossom and I'm going to have a great time. Awesome. Things are looking good. Let's get started. Voice over script. Our video begins with a voiceover script. This is what we speak over the video. It's happening right now. A well-written script is easy to read. It's fun, filled with jokes. But most importantly, the chapter it's representing has been read inside out. It's clearly simplified and personified. We'll focus at the important parts. That's what we Ram Slam. Ram Slam, by the way, is the name we give to our creativity. You know, what we do that's fun. Also, we are on the lookout for lyrics. Cause we love making songs out of anything. Any excuse will do. The trick is to understand the chapter and use simplicity. Simplicity is when you can make your voiceover script as small as possible. Each page is treated individually and notes are made specifying the most important part. Ultimately, that's what lands up in the video. You know, the stuff that's going to be asked in the exam. Then we recite the script again and again and again. Like a caterpillar turning into a beautiful butterfly. Each time you recite this, it sounds better. In the beginning, you learn how to put things in the right place. Super teacher will sit down by your side and help you get the best script made. Those of you who love English classes, this is a dream come true. In the future, you'll be using this skill in journalism, movies, TV shows, sports commentary. Yep, it's going to be very useful in your future. So pick a chapter and start to talk about it. Start off with what you feel. Write down what you're expecting from the chapter. Then go ahead and write what different pages are trying to say. Page 9 is saying good is coming to defeat the bad. 10 is saying bad is coming back to try again. Stuff that's super easy, you know, that stuff that you can remember later on. Put aside the complicated bits. We'll have fun with them later. Now, we'll assume that you've made the script and carry on to the next part. Time to record it. So get your voices ready. This next step is creating an audio file. Like an MP3, you can actually put it inside your phone and listen. Audio notes. Properly done. Audio. Here's what you do. Take a phone, switch on the mic, and record your script from top to finish. Don't worry about the mistakes. As I've said, the first thought matters. Enjoy the process. Be as free as possible. Walk around if that's what helps you. The better you say this, the nicer the video. What people like to listen to is something positive in the sound. The minute you change your body language, you start to sound different. So act like your favorite actor. Close your eyes and go to the happiest place you can remember. See yourself having fun. Start recording the script. By the way, who's your favorite actor? Let me know in the comments below. In no time, you'll pop out an audio file. We'll take it into a music editing software. Watch the next video for that one. Then we'll put in some music, a little bit of special effects, and voila! We have an audio file ready. What I love about recording is that I can be an actor. I can come into full character when I speak. I know I'm getting heard by thousands, so I give it all the power I have. Then I love to sing. We'll be making a lot of songs, so getting in front of the mic, feeling like a rock star, now that's game on. Oh yeah. Those of you who have had singing classes, guitar classes, piano, drums, classical Hindustani, tabla, choir, any sort of musical training at any level, this is for you. You'll be lending your voices and musical talent to make awesome study songs. Once that's done, on to the next part. Shopping time! Right, this is the best shopping experience because everything is free. We'll go to Google Images and search for relevant pictures we'd like to animate. I'm sure you've done this before, but have you searched for PNG files? PNG? PNG images are the highest quality images. But the main thing about them is they give us a picture with a transparent background. This saves a lot of time in animation. You'll see this in our video production tutorial. After every word you search, type PNG. Open it and look for the chessboard behind. This means it's got a transparent background. Select the largest image with the highest quality and keep extras for safety. When you start downloading, create a dedicated folder and name it properly. To keep things tidy is a secret superpower. Let's say we're downloading an image for Napoleon. Save it as 1 Napoleon, another image as 2 Napoleon, another one as 3 Napoleon. Doesn't matter if you're using Windows or Mac. It's super important to keep things clean. Team players love this. Saves time and improves the video quality. I love searching for images. I keep aside an entire day for this. The pleasure you get from imagining how they will move in animation. You come across so many new things, you learn new designs, you see how creative other people's have been. My sister's makeup kit's just the same. She's had a blast sorting out colors, shapes and designs. So those who love seeing images on Instagram, this is for you. Animation! An entire video waits your eyes about this. You'll see it after the music production video. But this is where the fun is. You'll get to compose images, move them, animate them. It's where all the hard work starts to come to life. Like a baby, we'll fumble around, create funny things, but eventually, we'll teach you how to get it done right. Lovely process. I love this because I feel like an engineer. There are so many instances when we need to come up with a solution, and somehow or the other, I always get the job done. Thank you, Waterji. I love to make animation because I get to play with toys in a digital world. I'm a child. I'm a director. I'm the producer. So I'm the happiest person because I'm all of those people. Makes me feel super powerful. Those who've taken dance class will love this. You've learned to move in the real world. Now you're going to learn to move them in the digital world. Amazing! Now we finally got the video ready. It's time to put it up on YouTube. This is the next process. YouTube time! Social media has become such a big thing. It's an alternative reality in a digital form. Our videos have come to life because they're here to help. You can't just put them up without understanding what the social media wants. Each video must have a thumbnail. That's an image that represents the video. Must have a nice description, hashtags and easy to read subtitles. Once we teach you the art of presentation, this is what's going to go a long way in your digital life. Creativity doesn't end with the video. It's here, even on social media. I love getting funky with my hashtags. I love placing my videos in playlists. Those that love to dress well will love this process. Everything done? Wow! With this, we come to an end to the processes involved in making an EdSing video. Which part appealed to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Coming up is a video about EdSing's music and video production. They deserve a video on their own. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comments below. Right, on to the next one. Music, here we come.